Could you trade in your Apple Watch? Yes, you can trade in your Apple Watch through Apple's official trade-in program and other platforms. Below is a detailed breakdown of how to trade in your Apple Watch and what to expect. First, Apple Trade-in Program. Apple offers a trade-in program that accepts Apple Watches for credit toward a new device or an Apple gift card. Eligible models. Apple Watch Series 1 through the latest models are generally accepted. Trade-in value depends on the model, condition, and market value. Newer models in good condition receive higher trade-in values. How to trade in with Apple. Online. Answer questions about your device on the Apple trade-in page, ship it using Apple's provided kit, and receive credit. In-store. Bring your Apple Watch to an Apple store where it will be evaluated for trade-in credit. Second trade-in value estimates. Apple Watch Series 8 up to $200, depending on condition. Apple Watch SE 2022 up to $100. Older models may receive $30 to $100, or may not be eligible for trade-in but can be recycled for free. 3. Conditions that affect trade-in value. Screen condition, no cracks or scratches. Functionality, working buttons, touchscreen, and sensors. Battery health. Original accessories are not required but may increase value in third-party programs. 4. Other platforms to trade. In Apple Watch. Best Buy offers trade-in credit for Apple Watches. Amazon Trade-in provides gift cards in exchange for eligible Apple Watches. Carrier programs, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. Some carriers accept Apple Watch trade-ins for credit toward new devices. Third-party websites, Gazelle Declutter. These platforms offer cash or gift cards for used Apple Watches. 5. Preparing your Apple Watch for trade-in. Unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone to erase data. Remove activation lock by signing out of iCloud. Clean the device, and ensure it's in the best possible condition before trading in. 6 trade-in payment methods. Apple Store credit, directly applied to your next purchase. Apple gift card, can be used for future Apple purchases. Cash or gift cards from third-party services, depending on where you trade in your device. 7. What if your watch isn't eligible? If your Apple Watch doesn't qualify for trade-in value, Apple and many third-party services offer free recycling programs to dispose of it responsibly. Yes, you can trade in your Apple Watch through Apple or other platforms for credit, gift cards, or cash, depending on the model and condition.